Hello all, today in this video I am going to provide an implementation regarding an random forest machine learning classifier. So first we can just see to initialize the data set. For that I am just importing the library called, if you are following our channel means you may know, in the first thing only we will be displaying first line only we will import all the libraries, but in this code for a change we have made just to import all the libraries in a separate thing when it is needed. So in the first thing we have just importing the dataset library to call the iris dataset, and we are just displaying the values of the target names and also the feature names. You can just see that is the target names and the feature names are displayed. I'm just running it one more times. You can see the target names are set as versicolor and virginica, and then the feature names include the sepal length, sepal width, petal length and the petal width. So then we have to split the data set, the iris data set, into the train and the test label, and moreover we have to convert it into x train, y train and y x text and y test. For that we have to use the xk library, sklearn library, and from that sklearn library we are just importing the train, test and split uh, library. So here we are just calling the dataset load iris over here, and that here you are using the x and the y label to display the train and the test labels. So in this we are using 70% for training and 30% for testing, that is which is 0.30. So if you want some different test size means we can just changes. If the test size you need as 20 means the train size will be 80. At that time we have to just give the test size as zero point 0.2 or 0.20. So now I am just running the code. Then in this code, we are just using the random forest machine learning classifier. So we are just importing the machine learning forest basic Python machine learning library, which is from sklearn.ensemble. Import the random forest classifier, this line, and then this random forest classifier we are just creating a model. From this model we are just training the model by using the fit function. In training we are just using the variables which are x train and y train, which we have created from the iris dataset, and then now we are just testing it using, for train we are just using the fit function, for testing we are just using the predict function by only using the x test, and then we have to display the variables, that is the accuracy. In order to display the accuracy we are using the y test variable and also the final test data set result. So we are just running the code, but with 70% training and 30% testing data set. So now we can see the accuracy is 97. Apart from the accuracy, I also displayed some other performance metrics parameters such as precision, recall, FN score and support. So those are some different, that is it's 0.98, 0.98 and 0.98, and here also the accuracy is 0.98. So we can check with some different number of text size, which is the we can just test the percentage for test data set as 20, and let's keep the training data set percent as 80. So now we can run the code and we can just see the difference for the training accuracy and just also the other parameters. So you can just see the accuracy have increased, and also we can check with some other classification report model. So here also it has changed. So now we can check with some other parameters also, that is 0.1. So in this case also definitely it may change, but it's increased. So now here also we can see whether it is increasing or not. So it's not equal in every data set. For every training percentage, for every training percentage the accuracy is varying. So this is the code for just a random data set. To know some other machine learning or some other basic Python code, please follow our channel. Thank you.